In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tooltips in Power BI. Tooltips can enhance the interactivity and usability of your reports by providing additional context or information right when it's needed. So, let's dive in and make your dashboards even more insightful. To start off, let's add a new page to our Power BI report. You can do this by heading to the bottom of your screen and clicking on the plus icon. This new page will serve as the space for designing the tooltip that will pop up in your visualizations. On this newly created page, you can place any visual you desire. This is the visual that users will later see as a tooltip. So think about what kind of information or data insights would be beneficial as a quick view. Once you have added the visuals you need, it's time to configure the tooltip settings. Now, take a look at the visualizations pane located on the right side of your screen. You'll want to find and click on the Format Report Page icon. This brings up options for adjusting your page settings. Within this area, there's a crucial setting you'll need to turn on. Allow use as tooltip. You'll find this option under the section called Page Information. Ensuring that this is enabled is vital because this setting will allow your newly designed page to function as a tooltip across your report. With that setting in place, let's switch gears and navigate back to the page where you want to actually implement this tooltip. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the visual within this main page where you want your tooltip to appear. Next, you'll need to access the Format Your Visual icon, again in the Visualizations pane on the right. Within the formatting options, you'll find a tab labeled General. Click on it and scroll down until you see the Tooltips section. You'll need to enable tooltips here. Once enabled, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the page you've just set up as your tooltip. Choose your newly created tooltip page, and you're all set. And there you have it. You're all done. It's genuinely as simple as that. You now have a dynamic tooltip that adds an extra layer of information to your report, enhancing the overall interactivity and providing users with deeper insights at a glance. Remember, tooltips are a powerful way to enrich your Power BI reports, making the data more engaging and understandable for your audience. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. Incorporating tooltips can truly transform the way your data is perceived and interacted with, making your reports far more impactful. Happy reporting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.